Well, we are a partner for a long time, but I would like to know how long is Viscosity dealing with FOX? How long are you implementing our solution?
Well, Marcus, before we were a partner, we were a customer. This was about 4 years ago. And we've been developing applications for our clients over the last 4 years. And these applications are used by hundreds of companies who are in turn our clients' clients. Prior to that, I was developing in Pure Apex for about 12 years.
Well, so taking this experience, what would you say is the advantage of using FOX and the FOX plugin framework in a project?
Gotcha. Well, first I would say that FOX in combination with the Oracle database and Apex are a low-code platform that allow you to deliver rich, like desktop-like applications very quickly. On average, development with FOX is 5 times faster than is possible with a Java or a JavaScript framework. In addition, when you compare FOX with pure Apex development, there are certain advantages around the additional components that FOX provides. These additional components allow you to do complex applications or larger type applications for enterprise customers. Another advantage is that FOX brings Sencha to the table. And if you're dealing with a large corporate customer who has a very specific framework, this helps you leverage Apex even more because Sencha is in over 60% of the Fortune 100 companies. Our larger corporate clients really like that about FOX.
So, taking your experience of a lot of projects you're in, what is the typical project you would see FOX in?
Well, first I'd say any customer with an Oracle database can leverage FOX for any web application. We have an oil and gas customer who has a gas pipeline accounting system, a legacy application. This application was written in PowerBuilder and it included over 500 screens, so the complexity was very high. On the back end, they had over 750 tables. So they had tried twice previously to replace this application using a Java Groovy framework, and they were unsuccessful. And after spending millions of dollars, they engaged us and FOX to take on the project. We were able to deliver successfully in a fraction of the time and the cost that they were expecting. In the healthcare space, we leveraged FOX to build a contract management application that helps hospital networks better manage their contracts for services. These services include elevator maintenance, blood bank management, hiring of nurses, that sort of thing. With FOX, we were able to build an application that drives costs out of healthcare, and this application is leveraged by over 450 hospital networks here in the U.S.
Wow, it's a very nice project.
Indeed.
So I have to say thank you for answering these questions. Hope we have a successful case code this year.
Absolutely.
Some nice projects within the next years.
Absolutely. Thank you, Marcus.